the aftermath of a troubling incident, the air is thick with unease. Questions loom large regarding violations of constitutional rights and the urgent need for accountability in police actions. Communities react passionately, their voices united in a chorus demanding justice and significant reforms in law enforcement practices. As the video unfolds, it paints a stark picture of the hurdles individuals encounter when seeking civil rights lawyers in cases of police misconduct. This narrative underscores the critical importance of accessible legal representation for those who have been victims of excessive force, a lifeline that too often remains just out of reach. However, the complexities deepen with the Canton Police's response to the incident, as their justification for the officers' actions introduces a troubling twist. The presence of weapons and drugs at the scene, while alarming, cannot absolve the use of excessive force, an act that demands careful scrutiny. In a stark contrast, the reaction of McElroy's attorney, Bobby DeCello, resonates with shock and disbelief as he reflects on the officer's behavior captured in the body cam footage. This incident ripples through the conversations surrounding police training and oversight, highlighting significant gaps that must be addressed. Officer Mamarov's attempt to justify his actions reveals a controversial perspective on compliance and authority, prompting critical discussions about the appropriate use of force in law enforcement. This controversy echoes the broader, ongoing debates about police practices in our society. Meanwhile, McElroy's charges of obstruction and resisting arrest draw attention to deeper issues within law enforcement procedures. Particularly striking is the evidence suggesting he was, in fact, complying with orders, raising essential questions about legal accountability in such scenarios. The Pigram case serves as a poignant reminder that slapping a handcuffed detainee is simply unreasonable, irrespective of the verbal behavior exhibited by the detainee. Courts continue to stress the necessity for appropriate conduct among law enforcement officials, emphasizing the paramount importance of adhering to ethical standards. Additionally, the Morrison case illustrates that when an officer acts against a compliant detainee, it constitutes gratuitous violence, infringing upon constitutional rights. Such behavior is consistently condemned as unconstitutional, reaffirming the need for stringent checks on police actions. Ultimately, the issue of police accountability stands as a foundational pillar of our justice system. It is crucial, particularly when officers engage in excessive force, that ongoing reviews and reforms ensure law enforcement is held responsible for their actions, fostering a system of trust and respect within communities.